Into my channel, Celebrate Life with Sonia. What's my channel about? Well, let me tell you. It's about making lifestyle changes. Guess what? We don't need a lot of money to make lifestyle changes. We don't need a lot of money to look really good. We don't need a lot of money to have quality in our lives, whatever that might be. Clothing, makeup, handbags, you know, whatever that might be. We don't need a lot of money. We just need to be creative with what we have. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and I will be making videos at least 3 times a week. So come back and join me. Press the subscribe button and click the like. Okay? And we'll see you soon. Lots of fun with Sonia. Celebrate with Sonia. Thanks for joining me. Bye.